Check it out, the raven's going after that white hawk. Hopefully I can get this. Oh. F you, raven. The hawk can go higher. Maybe just playing a little game. Look at this, guys. The raven's the black one. The hawk's just like using zero energy. And the raven is like definitely out of breath. It's gotta be. Look at that hawk, it's just like chilling. Can't catch him. It's so funny. That's the way to be, just chill like a hawk when the enemy's after you. It's so amazing. Here's the white hawk. He escaped. Oh, not yet. That's wild. It's cheap entertainment, folks, right in my backyard. Can't beat it. As long as I don't lose him from the viewfinder, I'm good. We're getting far out. Wow, he escaped. He's up there too high. The raven can't get him. It's so funny. Hawk didn't flap its wings once. So incredible. White hawk, you rule. I can't zoom any farther. Too bad. White hawk's got some friends though, I'm sure they'll be out there to help me. White hawk. You rule. Look at that guy, he just escaped from that creep. He didn't even care. Getting cooked out here in the sun. It's gotta be like a quarter, maybe half mile out now. Quarter mile. It's like 300 feet up. Look at that guy. Expending zero energy. He's a glider. A glider. Trying to keep him this way out there. Oh, lost him.